What do you think of all this hail, Campbell? We just got in our car. We haven't even left the house yet. It started hailing before we even got in the van. That's how quickly rain turned to extreme heat. It's collecting right here. This is making me crave a margarita.
What's going on, Campbell? It's so loud. Huh, Campbell?
Oh my goodness gracious, that was nuts. How does this hail piece get way down here in the dashboard of our radar detector? I'm just making it 20 times worse. Okay, here. Throw that away. Oh man. And as quickly as it came, it's gone. That is so cool. And now we just have this collection of hailstones, we'll call them, right here on our windshield wiper. Should I turn on the windshield wiper and see what it does? Should I turn on the car so we can turn on the windshield wiper to see what it does?
Yes.
Ah, there it goes. Whoa! It deposited them all into a big line and then they slid down.
Still ice right there.
One more time. Okay, that was cool.
We're on our way.
Storms are always amazing.
Somewhere.
Time to go.
Okay. Bye-bye.